First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So this special data interpretation video are specially made for the students, those who are going for a CAT level exam, as well as students those who are going for a bank mains exam. So in those exams you can able to see a very difficult data interpretation. So in order to crack that, I will be posting these kinds of difficult data interpretation videos. So do not forget to watch all my videos, but remember one important thing: before watching this video you have to know this: the same data interpretation question what I am going to teach now is available as a test. So first visit my website or my mobile application. There in a quantitative aptitude session you can able to see at the last data interpretation bracket mains. So inside that, the same question what I am going to teach in this set available as a test. First write the test and check what is your score, whether you are getting 5 out of 5 or you can't able to understand the DA itself. So first write the test. After writing the test, come and watch this video for solution. Without writing a test, if you watch this video completely, 100% the video will be useless, no use. So first write the test and analyze what is the mistake that you have done, where you have done the mistake, and then watch this video, right? Definitely it will be helpful for the students, those who are going for CAT exams and bank mains exam. So let me move on to all the difficult data interpretation question on these types of videos. So friends, now let me move on to the 25th data interpretation for mains level exam. So previous video, that is 24th DA, it is also similar concept question that is based on a concept of profit and loss. So this is the question, so only I didn't erase it. So this is the question what we solved on the previous video, right? So previous video they have given one pie chart, and then based upon the pie chart some values are missing. We framed a quadratic equation and we found what is the total cost price of all the articles, and then they have given a table chart where in the table chart they have given a total of profit as well as discount. So by using that we found what is the marked price, and after finding the marked price they have given one clue. So profit percentage is equals to discount percentage. We applied the formula and we found what is the selling price. So this is the stuff what we done in the previous video. So now coming on to this video, right, this data interpretation 25, just look at the pie chart. So similarly they have given a pie chart of total 5 article A, B, C, D, E, and here also some values inside the pie chart are in a percentages and some value is not given, it is mentioned in terms of X, as well as some values are in terms of degree. So you know, right, how to solve it. So initially how to find the X value, like similar like this question what we did here, right? After pie chart we framed a quadratic equation, but here we don't have any X square value. So I think we will directly get the value of X and we can find all the pie chart value. Second, coming to the table chart. See the table chart here. So the below table chart shows that the profit amount and the cumulative discount amount for 5 different articles has been given. In the previous question, that is in the previous DI, they have given a total, right? So this is the total they have given. 800 is the total amount they have given in the previous DI. But here, this total has been split into 2 datas, right? They have given that profit is this much and then discount is this much. See the table chart, 300 is the profit and 200 is the discount. So here they have given a total. So we don't know what is the profit and what is the discount. But here in this question, they split the value and they have given it in a separate way. Discount has been given as well as profit has been given. I think finding the selling price will be very easy. Why? Because in the table chart, we can find the cost price and the selling price is directly, we can easily find the selling price. Why? Because we know what is the profit that he earned on the article 1, that is article A. So when you add the cost price with the profit, resultant will be the selling price. So we don't want to simplify like this to find the selling price. So in this question, finding a selling price will be very easy. So now let me move on to solve this DA 25th data interpretation. So just a quick look about the previous DA and this DA, because so only I didn't rub this thing what we solved in the previous video. So friends, do not forget to take the test. Even if you are watching first time this video, please stop the video and write the test first. Write the same DA, same question, 5 question I have given. So write the test and check whether you can able to solve it or not, and which part you are struggling to solve, so that come and watch this video so you can learn, right, where you made a mistake and how to analyze the mistake, so that in the upcoming DA you won't make the mistake. That's the reason I'm saying stop the video, first write the test and then come and watch this video. So friends, now let me move on to 25th data interpretation for the mains level. So this is also based on profit and loss. So now let me move on to this DA that is based on a profit and loss concept, right? So here they have given a pie chart. So all the pie chart values, some values are given in terms of degree and some in terms of percentages. And we know if it is a pie chart, when you add all the values, resultant will be equal to 100%. If all the values are in terms of degree, so all values, when you add all the value, which will be equal to 360 degree. So 108 degree, so equals to 100%, right? So finally I'm going to convert all the left hand side value in terms of 100%. Some students will ask me whether I can take it as 360 degree. Yes, you can. If you are writing equal to 360 degree, then you have to convert all the percentage value into degree. If you are writing 100% here, then you have to convert all the degree value in terms of percentages, right? So now let me keep the percentage value as it is, x percentage plus 10%, right? So plus this can be converted in terms of degree. So 2x plus 6 divided by 360 into 100. So finally we converted this value in terms of percentages. So 72 degree. So 72 degree divided by 360 into 100, right? So plus x percentage. 108 can be written as 108 divided by 360 into 100. So 360 into 100 equal to 100%, right? So now what we can do here is, so x percentage will be 2x percentage, right? So similarly this can be, whether we can cancel this 0 0 here, so cancel it on, what about this will be, just a moment, this will be 1 times, this will be 5 times, and when you cancel it this will be 20. So we can write that as this complete part will be 20%, right? So plus x percentage plus, so this will be 30% is equals to 100%. So finally we converted some values in terms of percentages, and then here we have x percentage plus 10%. So plus, we can cancel this on 2 table. When you cancel this on 2 table, 5 2s are 10, cancel this on 2 table, 18 2s are 36. Okay, so what are the remaining values that we have is 5 into 2x plus 6 divided by 18. That's it, right? So finally we simplified some of the values here. So now what I can do is 10%, 20%, 30%, resultant will be 60%. When you subtract with 100%, resultant will be 40%. So equals to 40%, right? So this value will be 40. And here we have cancelled all the percentages, right? So we have, finally we have an answer of 40 here. So x percentage will be 2x. So this value will be 2x. And this value what we have is 5 into 2x plus 6 divided by 18. I think we have written all the remaining values here, right? Okay, so 2x, 5 into 2 will be 10x, 6 5s are 30. So this part alone divided by 18 is equals to 40. So when you multiply 18 here, 36x plus 10x plus 30 is equals to 0, 8 4s are 32, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 720. So 36, 46x, right? So what are the remaining values that we have is equal to 720 minus 30. So 720 minus 30 will be 690. So x is equals to 46, 10 times, 15 times. So value of x is equals to 50. So finally, after solving what are all the values they have given in a pie chart, so finally we got an answer where x is equals to 15, right? So very important step, because only if you practice, keep on practicing so many questions like this, you can able to solve it, or else it is not at all possible, and at some point you will struggle to get an answer. Previous question also similar concept question. So similarly we converted the degree in terms of percentages and then we solved a question. So here also most important. So again try to write this equation and try to solve it on your own. So finally what we got here is x is equals to 15. So after getting a value of x, finding all the x value in a pie chart is easy, because what is the article A? Article A will be x plus 10 percentage. X is how much? 15. So 15 plus 10 is how much? 25. So article A will be 25 percentage. So now our target is to find what is the total cost price of all the 5 articles. So here they have given a small clue. Just see the note. The difference between the cost price of article A and C is 20x. So article A is how much? X plus 10. X plus 10 is how much? We got x is equals to 15. So 15 plus 10 will be 25. So 25 percentage will be article A. And what about article C? So article C is how much? Okay, A, B, C, which is 72 degree. Okay, so 72 degree, we know that it is 20 percentage. So 20 percentage is article C. So friends, understood. So what they have given us, the difference between cost price of A and C is 20x. So A and C, article A and C is equals to 20x. X is nothing but just now we found a value 15. So 15, this will be 5 percentage is equals to 20 into 15. Resultant will be 300. So 5 percentage is equals to 300. We can find what is the total. 100 percentage is equal to x. So once you cross this, 300 into 100 divided by 5 is equals to x, which is 100 percentage, right? So we can find this 6 5s are 30. So x is equals to 6000. So finally we got the value x is equals to 6000, which means the total cost price of all the 5 articles will be 6000. So when this is the stuff what we learnt in the previous question. Previous question is also they have given a similar concepts, like they have given a difference and we found the total. Here also they have given a difference, but at the right hand side they are saying it is 20x. Do not get confused. We found what is the value of x already. So 20x, 20 into 15. So this will be the answer for the complete pie chart value. So initially we found all the pie chart value, right? So now finding the cost price of each article is easy. Why? Because what about the total? 6000 is the total cost price of all the 5 articles, right? And what about the article A? Article A will be 25 percentage, because article A, according to the chart, x plus 10 percentage is the cost price. So x is 15, 15 plus 10 will be 25. So 25 percentage will be the cost price of the first article A. So out of how much? 6000. So 1 by 4 into 6000, because 25 percentage is 25 by 100, which will be 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, this can be written as 1500. So article A cost price is 1500. So similarly we have to find for article B, article C, D, etc. So now we found all the chart values. So friends, understood or not, right? So after important step, this is the, I think so this is the important step, because most of the students might struggle to solve this area. So try to solve again and again 1 or 2 times, so only you can able to get the answer, right? So initially we solved it and we find what is the value of x. After finding the value of x, what we did is we substituted in the pie chart, and by using that small note, they have given a difference. By using that note, we found what is the cost price of all the 5 articles, which is 6000. So once we found the total of the pie chart, then finding single article cost price is easy, because cost price of article A is 25 percentage. So 25 percentage of 6000, which is 1500. So that we can say article A, where the cost price is 1500. So friends, now let me move on to the second part of the chart, that is table chart. So pie chart value, like what I found on article A, we can easily find for article B, C, D, etc., because we have found the value of x. So finding the cost price of each article is easy. So now getting into the table chart. So table chart, they have given 2 values. One is the profit and second is the discount value. So it is now easy to find the selling price, not like previous DA. Previous DA, they have given a total. So by using the total, we framed a separate equation in order to find the selling price value. But here, finding the selling price will be very easy. Why? Because just I will take article A, right? Any one article. Okay, I will take article A. So article A, what is the cost price we found in the previous pie chart? So which is out of 6000, right? Out of 6000 we found 20,500. Yes. So 1500 is the cost price of the article A according to the pie chart value. And how will you find the selling price here? Because it is easy to find the selling price here. Why? Because in the table chart itself, first value what they have given is the profit amount. Profit amount is how much? 300. So if we add the profit 300 to the cost price, right, resultant will be the selling price. Yes or no? So 1800 will be the selling price. You don't want to think and you don't want to solve it. This is just a very simple concept, because only if he sells for 1800, then he will gain a profit of 300. And what is the total cost price? 1500. Understood? So it is easy because the table chart value has been directly given. And what about the marked price? So previous question, finding a marked price is what? Cost price plus the total amount. So according to the chart value, what is the profit? Is 300. And what about the discount value? 200. Total is how much? 500. So cost price plus 500, resultant will be the marked price. 1500 plus 500 will be 2000. So 2000 is the marked price. Right? Yes, marked price will be 2000. So finally we got all the values here. So it is easy to find, I think, the table chart values. So we know first article A, we know what is the cost price of article A, and now we found what is the selling price of article A, and we found what is the marked price of article A. I think solving all the 5 questions under this chart will be easy. But there is a small twist on the second part, that is on article B. You can just look at the chart. Article B, where they have not given separately the profit. For the second row of the table chart, what they have given is A plus B. So article A plus B, profit has been given and then discount has been given. So how will you find the profit? Just subtract A. So A is how much? 300. So here A plus B is how much? Profit A plus B on the table chart, what they have given is 600. And in first chart where A is how much? 300. So subtract 600, 300 will be 300. So which will be the profit of B. So that's understood, right? So here in the table chart, it's just a small twist. What they have given us in the first column, they have given A, and the second they have given A plus B. So what we did is A plus B total is 600 what they have given, and we know the profit of A is how much according to the chart, which is 300. So in order to find B, what we have to do is subtract 600 minus 300, resultant B will be 300. And then we can similarly find what is the selling price of all the products, right? So similarly you have to find for article B, article C, D, E, etc. I think E is also easy, but here in the chart they didn't give you the E value. But don't think that finding E is difficult. Why? Because they have given a small note that adding half of the cost price of both the things. So it is easy to find the cost price and the selling price of the product E also. They have given a small note there. By using that note, we can find that also easily, right? So friends, that's it. I think solving all the 5 questions seems to be easy, because what is the first question here? Find the ratio between sum of profit amount of article A and B, profit amount of article B and together. We need to find the ratio, right? So ratio of profit amount of article A, B, C. That is easy, because once you find all the article, profit, selling price, marked price, then finding answer for all the 5 questions is really easy, right? So initially, every time I am telling this, if we are preparing for a mains level data interpretation, you have to be very, very strong on the basic concept, first thing. And second, importantly, while solving these kind of DI, initially it might take more than 10 or 15 minutes to find out all the datas. So once you found all the datas, solving 5 questions based upon this DI is very simple. That will not take much time to solve, but only initially to find all the values, what they have given in a chart, and we have to figure out all the values, and that might alone definitely take you 10 to 15 minutes. So don't worry about it. After 15 minutes, you can surely crack all the 5 questions in your exams. But remember one thing, each and every time I am saying basics plays a major role. Even if we are clearing the prelims, I've seen many students, those who clear the prelims exam, they think that they are strong in mains. They're strong in mathematics mains and they start preparing for the mains. No, even if you clear the bank prelims exam, make sure to understand and make sure to know that whether you know all the concepts on profit and loss, all the concepts on time and work, all the concepts and nook and corner concepts is important, because in the previous DA you can see discount percentage has been given. So many students don't know what is the discount percent formula. Marked price minus selling price divided by marked price into 100, that will be the discount profit percentage. So these are the things that you need to know before solving all the tough level data interpretation question. But okay, if you didn't know all these stuff, at least try to learn it by watching the video. So it's a 25th, right? It's a 25th or it's 25th data interpretation. So do not forget to watch all the previous DA what I have posted on the channel. So keep on watching and write the test every time before watching the video. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So see you on the next video. Bye.